एक सेकेंड, बाय मिस्टेक आई पोस्ट. Let me share my PPT again. Are you able to see my PPTs? No. Just give me a second. I know I need to put it on share again. So the idea behind showing this clip was that if you remember that Amir Khan came in that kids class, and he got some idea that this kid is facing some problem. He inquired from his friend also, if you remember that, कि इसका problem क्या है, right? And then उसको थोड़ा सा और clue लगता है, then he goes to his home, you know. So that means whenever we are so right now what we are doing the research process. Okay, so in research process, the first step is identifying the problem area. First of all, the broad problem area. Now what is broad problem area? As this Amir Khan, understood there is some problem, इस लड़के के साथ कोई दिक्कत तो है. Now एक broad problem लगा. Now in management sense, what is that problem? मार्केटिंग, हमारा सेल्स पिकअप नहीं हो रहा, हमारे एम्प्लॉइज बहुत जल्दी जल्दी कंपनीज छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, देयर इज हाई टर्नओवर रेशियो, why we are not able to earn profits, why our new product is not getting successful, you know why our advertisement is not fetching us income, कुछ भी sales नहीं लेके आ रही. So it could be anything. So that is could be our identifying the broad problem area. As I have mentioned one problem here, that Sarah Foster in the information technology director of a medium-sized firm. She observes that the newly installed management information system is not being used by middle managers as much as was originally expected. Now they bring some kind of information system to help their employees. Now they are observing that people are not using that. Now, some middle managers have occasionally approached the ICT help desk or some other expert for help, whereas others make decision without facts. Recognizing without facts means others का हम reason नहीं find out कर रहे हैं कि why they are not using. Now, recognizing there is a surely problem, Sarah develops the following broad problem. What should be done to increase the use of the newly installed MIS by our middle managers? Now, this is called the broad problem statement. This is what called problem statement. कि क्या करें हम कि जिससे MIS का मिडिल मैनेजर उसको यूज करे. नाउ अगर इसको प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं, मतलब कोई सिम्टम्स आते हैं, जैसे आमिर खान वाली मूवी में हमने देखा कि बच्चा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है, पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर रहा है किसी चीज में, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो है. व्हेन एवरीबॉडी इज एंजॉयिंग, ही इज कीपिंग मम, एक सब उठ के नाच रहे हैं, ही सिटिंग विद अ पर्सन, हैंडीकैप पर्सन हु कैन नॉट मूव, बट ही हैज गोन टू दैट लेवल दैट इवन इफ ही इज नॉट आल्सो हैविंग लेग्स, और he was so disinterested, right? So that was on lighter side, but on managerial point of view, these could be the some some points or some hints where company can see that there is some problem. So our customers are switching, that means our customers are not repurchasing our product. एक बार जिसने ले लिया, that person is not buying again. Frequent production interruptions आते हैं. तो जो हम problem या research करते हैं, that is not only confined to the marketing area. Please remember that it could be operations, it could be supply chain, it could be managerial, it could be operational, it could be finance related. Anything could be a research problem, provided there exists some kind of problem, right? So then you have to clearly define the problem statement. एक प्रॉब्लम आपने देखी, कि सेल्स नहीं हो रहा है, देन यू नीड टू टॉक टू डिफरेंट पीपल, राइट? जैसे इस मूवी में मैं आपको सीन दिखा रही थी, दैट मीन्स उस पर्सन ने और सोचा कि मैं इस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बताऊं. ही वेंट टू हिज पेरेंट्स, ही विजिटेड हिज पेरेंट्स, कि इसको प्रॉब्लम क्या है. उसने उसकी कॉपीज देखी. दैट मीन्स व्हाई ही वाज डूइंग सो, बिकॉज ही वांट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीटली. एक सिम्टम मिला, सिम्टम से एक प्रॉब्लम बताया, और फिर उसने कहा कि उसको डिसलेक्सिया है. आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, पहला उसका था कि एक प्रॉब्लम का सिम्टम मिला, फिर उस प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे से उसने हर लोगों से, इंटरेस्टेड जो भी उससे रिलेटेड पार्टी थी, उससे डिस्कस किया. देन ही केम टू वन कंक्लूजन की, और वो भी हाइपोथेसिस थी. ही वाज नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट दैट कि उसको यही प्रॉब्लम है, बट बिकॉज ही वाज फेसिंग इन दैट मूवी, तो ही कुड फाइंड आउट कि हाँ, इसको भी पक्का वही प्रॉब्लम है. बट when we are doing research, we works on the hypothesis कि हमें लगता है कि इस वजह से नहीं होगा, and then we work on that hypothesis. we may success, we may not, we may get success, we may not get success, right? But we try, we work on hypothesis. For example, यहाँ पर अगर हम कहें getting of preliminary information using literature review, talking to several people or other relevant sources. तो अगर कंपनी ये सोचती है कि मेरी सेल्स नहीं हो रही, and that case study, that opening case study where I talk about the MIS system is not being used by the company, तो यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम फिर वो क्या करेगी, वो उन एम्प्लॉइज से बात करेगी, फिर वो उन IT वालों से भी मे बी शी कैन टॉक, राइट? तो हम देखते हैं वो किससे बात करती है. देन talking to some of the middle level managers, Sarah finds that many of them have very little idea so as to what the MIS is all about. उसको पता लगा कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है MIS क्या है, what kind of information it can provide and how to access it and utilize the information. So basic awareness level was low. Then Sarah uses Google Scholar to explore further information on the lack of use of management information system in organization. Now, Google Scholar is meant for the literature searching, right? Like Google is for normal searching. Google Scholar is a tool to search, for this scholarly articles or literature. मतलब कि लोगों ने क्या रिसर्च किया है across the globe, जब employees किसी चीज को adopt नहीं करते हैं तो उसके क्या क्या reason हो सकते हैं और how, what are the strategies scholars have or academicians have suggested that how we can improve their adoptions, right? The search indicates that many middle level managers, especially the old timers, are not open to new ideas or ways of solving problem. Ye self-efficacy problem, we know that it occurs especially when we are dealing with the middle age or older people, and when we are talking about the technology. You yourself have observed it in your homes. When it comes to technology, at particular coming at particular age, parents surrender. बेटा तुम ही कर दो, बेटा तुम ही कर दो, I don't know ये credit का payment कैसा होता है ये क्या. Though COVID has taught us a lot, लेकिन still they have little kind of कोई भी red में error आ जाएगा, कुछ भी आ जाएगा, parents get they become very discomfort, और वो फटाफट अपने kids के पास या कोई भी young chap के पास जाएंगे, this system is showing this error, what does that mean? Even if they can read and write, but sometimes they somehow they have technology anxiety, right? The lack of knowledge about what the MIS offers is also found to be another main reason. That means lack of knowledge is also there. Why some managers do not use this? This information helps Sarah to narrow the broad problem area and to refine the problem statement. To what extent do knowledge related factors and openness to change affect the use of MIS by middle managers? Here I want to say one thing. See, if you compare the first statement like this with your another statement, here the problem was what should be done to increase the use of newly installed MIS by our middle managers. See, one of the essence feature of any research is that it should be concise, precise, and specific. Now, there could be n number of ways how a middle managers can be used, can be make that use can be increased, but we cannot work on every solution. We have to have focus on one or two solution, and that's what Sarah has done in this slide, that she has found two main problem of her population, of her organization, and now she is focusing on कि I increase the knowledge level and openness को कैसे मैं बढ़ाऊं. She is focusing only on two factors, so that doesn't make your research useless, rather it makes you little specific so that you can understand कि इन दो factors का क्या role है. So that is all about research, and that is all about model also. Now then we develop a hypothesis. Now hypothesis will be, I will show you in a paper of mine how these hypotheses work. Now hypothesis work would be that knowledge related factors leads to the adoption of MIS. Now this would be our hypothesis. ये हमारी assumption है कि हाँ ऐसा करेंगे तो ऐसा होता है. This is called alternate. ये alternate और null मैं आपको और details में बताऊंगी जब हम अपना chapter unit 4 करेंगे. But right now it is knowledge related factors leads to adoption of MIS in an organization. Now, second is openness to change leads to adoption of MIS in an organization. Now, these would be the hypothesis. Now, but hypothesis should be having two features. First is testable. कोई भी hypothesis हम बनाते हैं that should be testable. कोई भी ऐसी hypothesis जो हम test नहीं कर सकते, वो आप हाइपोथेसिस की कैटेगरी में नहीं आती। कोई भी इसका एक एग्जांपल लेके सोचिए आप कि क्या चीज है जो हम टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते। कुछ भी सोचिए आप। जब तक ट्रैकिंग डिवाइसेस नहीं थे तब तक हम नींद नहीं टेस्ट कर पाते थे। टेस्टेबल मतलब हम जिसको चेक ही ना कर पाए। मुझे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई लाइक रीडिंग कितना पसंद है, अब उसको टेस्ट करना बड़ा मुश्किल है। मैं एक परसेप्शन दे सकती हूँ, दो हम उसको भी टेस्ट कर देते हैं 5 4 3 2 1, बट डू यू थिंक वो 5 4 3 2 1 can be our comparative what you will say are enough to test my likingness? हालांकि आज की डेट में जब हम रिसर्च की बात करते हैं, we say if we cannot, if something can be measured, it can be tested, but और हम सब कुछ measure कर सकते हैं, but still there are some phenomena which we cannot test. For example, father loves more to his child than mother. क्या हम इसको टेस्ट कर सकते हैं? कोई हाइपोथेसिस बना सकते हैं कि माँ ज्यादा प्यार करती है और फादर कम करता है? कैन इट बी टेस्टेबल? यू टेल मी, कम ऑन, कैन वी टेस्ट इट? पैरामीटर है ज्यादा, कैसे प्रूव करें कि ये ज्यादा प्यार करता है कम करता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन अ रिलेशनशिप हम कैसे टेस्ट करें कि हस्बैंड लव्स हिज वाइफ और वाइफ लव्स हर हस्बैंड मोर? कैसे टेस्ट करेंगे इसको? तो इस चीज पर हम
Maybe the
रिसर्च
actions
या
performed
हाइपोथेसिस
by each
नहीं
of
बना
them.
सकते, राइट? फैल्सिफाइएबल का मतलब होता है कि जिस चीज को हम झुठला ना सके, जिसको फाल्सिफाई नहीं प्रूव कर सके, उस चीज को टेस्ट करने का फायदा ही नहीं है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शुरू में जब हम लोग अर्थ को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे, अपने सोलर सिस्टम को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे, एट दैट टाइम देयर वाज हाइपोथेसिस कि अर्थ इज राउंड, राइट, या फ्लैट। पहले लोगों को था कि फ्लैट है, फिर उन्होंने उसको चेक किया, बहुत सारी चीजें बनी, बहुत सारे डेवलप हुआ, तो ये हो गया कि अर्थ राउंड है। तो आज के डेट में व्हेन इट इज अ एटर्नल ट्रूथ दैट अर्थ इज राउंड, और फॉर एग्जांपल सन राइजेस फ्रॉम ईस्ट, डू वी कैन वी चेक इट? can it make a hypothesis that we are making hypothesis sun rises from east? No, because it is always proved. तो ये falsifiable हो ही नहीं सकता। कोई भी अमाउंट का डेटा आपको ये कभी भी प्रूव नहीं कर पाएगा कि सन ईस्ट राइजेस फ्रॉम वेस्ट, और फॉर दैट मैटर सन राइजेस फ्रॉम नॉर्थ और साउथ। इट इज वेल प्रूवन। या आपको पता है कि कोई एक फिनोमिना बिल्कुल आपके सामने है, आपके मार्क्स 90 आए, तो मैं क्या उसको चेक कर सकती हूँ कि वेदर एक्स स्टूडेंट हैज स्कोर्ड 90 मार्क्स और नॉट, और वी अज्यूम? नो, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट फाल्सिफाइबल, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलवेज देयर। सो जो ट्रुथ्स हैं आपके, जो फाल्सिफाइबल नहीं हो सकते, जिसके बारे में आपको 100% श्योर पता है, आपको मीन्स पूरे यूनिवर्स को 100% पता है, आप उसको चेक नहीं कर सकते, वो हाइपोथेसिस नहीं बनता। हाइपोथेसिस उसी सिचुएशन में बनता है जहां पर कोई एक डाउट का थोड़ा बहुत चांसेस हो। फॉर एग्जांपल, एक बड़ा कॉमन सा एग्जांपल है, अगर कभी आप गूगल स्कॉलर भी खोलेंगे, कुछ भी खोलेंगे, समटाइम इट कम्स that no amount of white swan will ever empower a researcher to say that uh, just give me a just give me a second. No amount of white swan will ever tell you that, will ever be, you cannot be confident in saying that all the swans on the earth are white, because if only one swan is black there, then your hypothesis can be falsified. But when one black swan is able, and you are able to see that black swan in the crowd of white swan, you can say that not all swans are white. So can you understand the difference? Falsifiable है। अगर आप बोले कि सारे स्वैन व्हाइट हैं यहाँ पर एक ग्रुप में, तो वो फाल्सिफाइबल है, वो आपकी हाइपोथेसिस हो सकती है कि हम मान के चलते हैं कि सारे ब्लैक व्हाइट स्वैन ही हैं, राइट? लेकिन अगर आप ये चेक करने चाहें कि नॉट ऑल स्वैन्स आर व्हाइट, और आपको दिख रहा है वहां पर एक ब्लैक है, यू कैन नॉट चेक दैट, राइट? सो दिस इज होल आइडिया अबाउट डेवलपिंग हाइपोथेसिस। नाउ रिसर्च प्रोसेस में सारा को क्या पता चलता है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग? सारा डेवलप्स ए थ्योरी, एक थ्योरी डेवलप करते हैं, इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग ऑल द रेलिवेंट फैक्टर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द यूज of the MIS by managers in the organization. From such a theory, she generates various hypotheses for testing one among being. जैसे knowledge of the usefulness of the MIS would help managers to put it a greater use, as I mentioned it earlier. Then देन यू डिटरमाइन द मेजर. अब आपने कह तो दिया, बट अगर आप उसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते तो आप उसको चेक भी नहीं कर सकते. So first of all, you have to put all the variables in a theoretical framework. The network of association is built and you operationalize the variable. I will show you in a research paper how do we do that. So no worries about that. Then you collect the data like Sarah has done. Sarah then develops a short questionnaire measuring the various factors theorized to influence the use of the MIS by managers, such as the extent of knowledge of what the MIS is, what kind of what kind of uh, information the MIS provides, how to gain access to the information, and the level of openness to change of managers. And finally, how to often managers have used the MIS in the preceding 3 months. तो ये सारी information उसने इकट्ठी कर ली. Then we analyze that gathered data. How Sarah has done that. Sarah then analyzed the data obtained through the questionnaire to see what factors prevent the managers from using the system. For this, we use ANOVA test, regression test, t-test. There are a number of tests and techniques and tools. Now we give some kind of meaning to those results. As Sarah said, that based on the result, Sarah deduces or concludes that a lot of managers do not use the MIS because they do not believe that using the system would enhance their job performance. That means उन्हें usability नहीं लग रही है. Other managers do not use the system because they do not know how to use it. That उनको ease of use नहीं लग रहा है. This deduction helps Sarah to make necessary action to rectify the situation, which includes, among other things, organizing seminar for training managers on the use. Now this is the implication part, how we can do that. Suggestions है ये, इसके बिना without this no research is complete. Organizing seminars for training managers on the use of the MIS and illustrating the advantages of using the MIS to the managers. Now, whatever I have told you, now I will show you a research paper which you can yourself see how we do it in real life. Can you see a research paper? Does India need a share ride hailing now more than ever? Understanding commuters' intention to share rides. Can you see that?
No,
Yes or
no,
no?
ma'am.
Students?
No, ma'am, it is not visible.
Okay. Now?
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. So you can see that there is a problem that we want to see, that does people want to do they have any intention to use shared ride hailing like Ola share or Uber share, right? So what we did, हमने पूरा background देखा problem का कि क्या problem है और how shared ride hailing can help, right? Because meeting is going to finish, so I am little quick here. Ensuring economy के बारे में बताया, ये simple हमने literature किया, right? Then theoretical background, if you remember, technology acceptance model, I have used it as a theoretical model and I develop certain hypotheses. So I'll simply take to, this is the way how we give the hypothesis, right? The perceived risk is negatively rated, this is this. Now show this. I want to show you. So this is the variables, what we saw, that commuters intention can be impacted through, if commuters think that this is useful, this is easy to use, we have trust on the platform, there is less risk, and it could be moderated. I'm not right now telling you about these two variables, just focus on these four and this. Now this is called independent variable, this is called dependent variable, and I have hypothesized certain relationship of usefulness on intention, ease of use on this, and trust and this. Now these are my variables. Now operationalize of variables means how, if I can show you, if they have, this is operationalization, means how I captured usefulness. My question was, for me, shared ride hailing service is a value for money deal. Using shared ride hailing service will make my traveling convenient. Using shared ride hailing service reduces traffic consumption. Using shared ride hailing service can reduce pollution and energy consumption. Different parameters per I check the usefulness. Then I feel using shared ride hailing service would be easy. I feel using shared ride hailing service will be simple, like that. Now you would be saying कि चीजें थोड़ी overlap हो रही है. This is called reflective scale. We will talk about this in later part of our sessions, right? Now this is called operationalization. इन सबको check किया स्टूडेंट्स ने, या जिन जो भी हमारे रिस्पोंडेंट्स थे उन्होंने कुछ टिक किया, हमने उसको नंबर दिया. You can see I have given the full detail. in the study, the national capital was chosen as a research setting for several reasons. Why Delhi should be the, you know, my sample, what you will say, my research setting, I have given reasons for that also, right? Now, this is my profile, female, male, below this age, degrees, and whatever. Now, I have analyzed the data using some statistical tool. Now, this is data analysis. I have captured some information and I have, taken out that something. This is my hypothesis. These are supported. That means, yes, it makes impact, it makes impact, it makes impact like that. And then I am telling, okay, कुछ numbers थे, उस numbers का मतलब क्या था? This is the interpretation of result I am telling here. So this is whole about the research process, and then I am giving some implication. For example, I am saying that in enhancing the trust in the service, both government and service providers should work in tandem. Companies should identify the social and technical enablers related to trust. For example, through the use of social media, companies can encourage their users to spread the word of mouth about their experiences of shared ride hailing service. Moreover, companies should foster the elements of trust with respect to transaction security matters. The companies can consider the option to rate the co-passengers so that notorious elements can be marked and proper action can be taken, including denial of shared service. Right? उसके बाद डिजिटल ईरा में हम प्राइवेसी पैराडॉक्स की बात करते हैं, कुछ मैंने अलग अलग आपको, इट्स नो पॉइंट, आई थिंक यू गॉट द आइडिया that you have to tell, okay, this is the problem or this factor is coming, of high importance in the perception of the individuals, so we should focus on this rather than other factors. So this is the whole point of any research, right? There should be social implication of the research, there should be practical implication, and there should be contribution to the literature as well. This is the whole idea behind any good research, right? Now